What's going on with y'all, man? It's with Sharp React, Sharp from the 219. Back with another one, man. Sharp game, we here. Sharp Reacts game, we here. Spurs, Timberwolves, game 5. Series tied 2-2. Last game was crazy. My boy Wemby looked like Ron Artest, threw a crazy elbow, got ejected. The Wolves still barely won, which worries me. That worries me, y'all. No Fox, and the Wolves still struggled. So, I don't know. I really don't know who I think is going to win this game. Wemby's back. I think the Spurs are going to take this one, y'all. I think the Spurs are going to take this one. They're going to go up 3-2. So, we just got to see. Sharp gang, hope y'all been staying motivated, hydrated, happy, positive, keeping God in your life. Grinding, no days off. Doing whatever you want to do. Doing what you do. Being yourself, man. Like and sub. Appreciate all the viewership, all the support. Let's get to it.
De'Aaron Fox will watch him closely. Right ankle injury. Went to his right past McDaniels off his left foot. The whistle early in the foul. That's old school continuation right there. Williams Randle back the other way. He'd love to see one go in early to get going. On cue. He heard you, Mike. Point up towards the rim for De'Aaron Fox. It got to him, probably not the way it was intended to be delivered, but the Spurs take the lead. Fox. Randle from the outside. Gobert got rid of Wembanyama, goes up and dunks it. Fox worked inside, hits Wembanyama, trying three again. Finally hits one. Samuel's trying to respond. McDaniels, three-point shooting, been a struggle for him. Went for the ball, Wembanyama's got it the other way. Pitch to the corner, Champagne.
Good shot.
Wembanyama from the outside, got his hands around. Timeout, Minnesota. The veteran eighth-year man, Reed, is in. Wemby. On Gobert has 11 of the Spurs 19 as Wembanyama has the ball a lot and is still.
Wemby going to work on this man, y'all. Oh my goodness, the league is cooked, y'all. Jesus, get some help.
Castle right back to him, feeling it.
Is this about to be another blowout?
McDaniels over Wembanyama for two. Wembanyama goes to the bench, three subs in for San Antonio. I like it. Three knocked down by Naz Reid.
Good take.
Got Cornet.
Okay.
Conley getting two at age 38. Johnson trying to attack. Looks more aggressive here, Reggie. And one. Shan in the foul. R.C. Buford, his voice still heard. The CEO, longtime GM.
Shot, man.
A deep and much needed Minnesota three. It is not 3-minute mark. Conley's been really good shooting the three in this series. Bags another one. Edwards pulls up. Dylan Harper right by his side. 2-point game. Champagne gets the three. Johnson puts it back.
The odds are against y'all, but come on, 5. I'm with you.
Significant playoff experience in the rim. Naz Reid bumping right into Wembanyama, using the physicality on offense. Reid challenges Wembanyama, turns and pitches to Bryant. Shan had to get that one up quick. Imprint of Wembanyama defensively on that trip. Fox with time.
Y'all gonna step up?
Spurs feeling it. Fox flying. Castle going. Contact. Blocking foul. Can you count? Yes. McDaniel settles into a three. Wembanyama just reached out to try to block that. But that stems the tide for the Timberwolves. Castle fighting for a space and got two.
Good feet work and body control,
take a
boy.
timeout. Gobert challenge that too late.
They just going
at the
after him,
basket
y'all.
for Harper. Vassell is jacking three. Gets one to go. Daniels got Fox. Goes through with the cut. At the basket, beat Harper to the rim for two.
I love that Jay McDaniels is getting closer to the basket. Nice alley-oop there to the field from Harrison Ball.
Fox. Fox around Randle. Left for Wemby. Edwards sees two again. Vassell attacks.
Damn.
Into the basket with Wembanyama flying at him.
And he's upset about it.
Rebound Vassell. Go fly. Reid finds the line and knocks down that three.
That's a big-time shot right there by Naz Reid.
Randle.
Good pass.
At the rim, can't finish. Wembanyama was there. And they start something. Vassell does it with a three to get
they push back.
Going. And a step through that double so hard with Wembanyama. But he took it and made it. Wow.
Shot,
5-point game. Castle gets inside and gets the Spurs going. Clock at 6. Randle. He's the sideline. Castle wrapped around to the corner for three. McDaniels. McDaniels sees Wembanyama, tries to get away from him. Highmarker is good. And the timeout here. It is a 2-point
good way to come back.
San Antonio searching for Wembanyama.
Good defense.
Look
up.
Great quarter. All the way to the basket. basket.
Never mind.
Ties it at 61. Wemby posted. Inside, he's got Edwards.
That's a great.
Got the three.
I don't think y'all realize how hard of a pass this is.
Inside, he's got Edwards.
Great vision, Wemby. Great vision.
Kicks it out to Champagne. Got the three.
He cold. Castle is cold, y'all.
7 straight for the Spurs. Castle on a little run here.
3 straight
Back in the
buckets.
flow. Johnson saved the pass. Probing inside. On Edwards for 2.
Damn, man.
Timeout, Minnesota.
Nice play right there. Split the
They
double
still
team.
in it though. They still in it. They still in it. I'm not going glaze.
One little stuff that matters. Harper on this. Wemby put it back in. And 1.
Good take,
No
Ant.
Wemby. Right to the basket for 2.
Right
Attack
to
the paint.
basket for 2.
Attack the
Edwards
paint.
striking fast.
Good shot.
Trying to get through the traffic. Edwards had to go to the net. Turn it
Damn.
over. Held in Johnson. Reed chases.
Good
Johnson.
take.
That was a lot of chatter coming into these playoffs. Little experience.
Cornette couldn't finish, but he took down bowling pins of Timberwolves inside. And the putback makes it a 14-point game. Okay, Harper. He got that over Conley. Strong. 4-2 for number 2.
Sometimes knowing what you don't know can help you. The moment's never too big for you. You just figure it out and take what's there.
Wembanyama inside over Shannon. Had an unbelievable first quarter with 18 points and 6 boards. Nice job by McDaniels on the reverse to get it inside. Cade McDaniels. Edwards back the other way. Was sensational in quarter 4 of game 4. Trying to get unleashed.
Take.
Through the contact. Back to 5. Nobody wants to go into Wemby world. Nice. Oh, man. What a hard hit 3. 8 straight Minnesota. Timeout.
Yo, the Spurs got like 5 guards on any night that can go off. Fox, Castle, Harper, Vassell. Champagne's not really a guard, but he has guard-like skills. Can shoot the shit out the ball. Then you got who else am I missing? I think I said everybody though. They just deep, y'all. The Spurs are a deep team, man.
Every little bit, Stephon.
Keldon Johnson, he's not a guard, but he
Fitz goes back to the zone here.
6th man of the year.
There it is.
Fox attacks it.
And that's so wide open because Wemby did a great job of holding off the weak
I
side
gotta
defender
fight,
to come
man,
over.
y'all. Pass. That is a bad pass, but you,
Good finish.
And the Wolves
I
will
guess.
not go away. They're like that mosquito at the barbecue.
Masao. Spurs with an answer again. On the hit. Castle. Timeout, Timberwolves. Randall couldn't catch it clean. It was a tough pass. He gets hit.
Good
It's
finish.
Randall bumped out Champagne
Good take.
and 1. Chance of a 3-point play. Champagne's foul, by the way. That's his 5th for Spurs foul.
damn.
Whoa. That young kid is going to be a star. He looked like his dad.
Damn, my bad. Y'all looked away. My bad. Let me look at that again. Oops, my bad.
By the way, that's his 5th for Spurs foul.
Whoa.
He said,
That young kid is
I'm
going to be a
him.
star. He looked like his dad on that highlight tape you showed earlier. And Wemby cannot believe. That's saying a lot to Williams.
Good pass. Oh my
We're doing some
god.
Harlem Globetrotter stuff out here. This is getting a little ridiculous.
Come on,
Victor
Gobert.
Wembanyama. Oh my goodness.
Ooh, good split.
Sweet. Johnson.
What a great bounce back game.
Yeah, y'all. I ain't gonna lie.
His energy off the bench.
As Harper goes
Minnesota,
inside.
y'all might be cooked.
And the pitch out to Keldon Johnson for the 3.
Why not?
Off the hands of Gordon McLaughlin. The 3 knocked down by Waters from the outside. Biombo inside. A big first quarter, 18.6 rebounds. Wembanyama ends with a double-double, 27 and 17. It was a Spurs night, and they're 1 away from the West.